All right, good morning, y'all. Grateful for another day, another beautiful day. Let's look at the Forex Factory. Red folder news. We did have news today at 8:30. We had the GDP, unemployment claims, and 10 a.m. we have pending home sales. So let's go ahead and look at that. Unemployment claims actually dropped. That's kind of surprising. And the GDP dropped as well. 1.6 advanced GDP. We got home sales coming up at 10 a.m., so we'll be looking at that. Looking at the daily chart on NQ, price had come back down into this inverse fair value gap, down into this order block as well. In my opinion, I think it will head back up, but that's just my opinion. Market can do whatever it wants. It doesn't have to adhere to my opinion. So that's just my thoughts right now. On the 4 hour and on the daily inverse fair value gap, there is another fair value gap right here that the 4 hour is holding at the moment. Drilling down into the 1 hour chart. I mean, the 1 hour chart looks like it's starting the market maker buy model, right? So it came back down to retrace any imbalance. So we'll see. We'll see what happens today at 10 a.m. and then we'll basically figure out which way the market will go. But I think we're gonna head up. I'm not sure though. We'll see. Today, I am looking at this right here, this order block right there, and then I also see this order block right here, which is in line with the fair value gaps and everything. So there are a couple things that we've got to take a look at and keep into consideration. I'm gonna wait for 10 a.m. till after the news. So let's see what happens. Also, I am trading one funded account on Apex, and I have top step evaluation accounts that I'll be trading, but those are just side things that I'm doing. Again, if I blow all of these accounts, I will be demo trading on paper trade. So just keep that in mind, because I want to become a better consistent trader, and there are things that I need to kind of look at and retweak. I have already established my strategy. I'm going to be trading three different strategies. One's going to be Silver Bullet, one's going to be the ICT 2022 model. The other one is something that I'm testing out. So those are the three strategies that I'm going to be trading. And when I do see it, I will record it and I'll explain what I see. All right, y'all. Right now I'm in a call, like back-to-back call, so I'm not going to be able to kind of narrate why or what's going on. But I saw this as a change in the state of delivery and price, so I entered here on this 5-minute fair value gap. I'm targeting data highs right now. The reason why I'm seeing that is because of this order block right here. I'm seeing this as a form of support where it's already in line with that 1 hour fair value gap where price had dug into previously on Monday. So that's the reason why I entered this position. So we'll see how this goes. All right, real quick before I hop into another call, my Apex funded account, I trailed my stop loss to here. We are in a fair value gap on a 5-minute. That's an inverse fair value gap if it breaks, and if it does break, then we're going to hit data highs, in my opinion. So that's what I'm waiting for. Trailed my stop loss down up to here, so we're just going to wait to see what happens here. I got my top step evaluation funded, y'all. So I'm gonna just show y'all I did 1.5k, 3 trades. It's because I scaled in and out. I only traded minis on that, so I will be trading that tomorrow as well on top of my funded Apex account. So we'll see what happens. All right. I know I'm talking really fast. I just have a few minutes before my next call, but this is basically what's going on at the moment. I am expecting price to hit data highs. I just don't know when and how. So that's why I have this drawn out here. My risk to reward right now is 3.85 on a $200 risk. I'm targeting this high right here. I know data highs is right here, but it just seems like it's this engineered liquidity is going to be taken out today. I'm going to be watching this area. I'm hoping that this inverse fair value gap breaks to the upside, and if it does, then we could see a strong bullish move up. If not, then it'll probably hit my stop, and I'll probably have to figure out a way to scale back in. All right, I am done trading for the day. Performance summary on my Apex 50K funded account. We did $400.90 today. So this is the trade that I took earlier, and then you all saw in the video that it hit my trailing stop. It actually went up into this fair value gap, this 5-minute fair value gap, which I notated IFEG if it broke, and I was going to take a long up to data highs, right? But I mean, this play is still valid. It could come up later in the day, but right now it respected this bearish fair value gap. That's number one. It inverted this bullish fair value gap, this bullish fair value gap, right? So those are two different confluences where bullish price action was invalidated, right? So what I did was I took one mini contract short from here down to here, and let me show you that execution. I took this short from here where that red arrow is, and then I sold it right there for a $200 or $185 gain. All right, so that's what that is right here. And in summary, I was able to do $490.62. Now I'm going to show you the executions for my Top Step evaluation account. Okay, so what you see here is my Top Step evaluation account that I just got funded today. What happened was I took the same trade here that I did on my Apex account, except I entered a little bit late. So I took one contract here, sold it there. I bought again here, 2 contracts, and I sold both up here. The reason why I bought 2 contracts here is because I saw this order block right here being respected, and I saw this wick back into the order block, which was being respected, and then I sold both up here, and that actually put me at a pretty good gain, ending the day with 1.5K on my Top Step funded on my Top Step evaluation account, which I'll be trading tomorrow as a funded account. All right, so I still believe that price will head up into data highs. I'm most likely going to be demo trading, paper trading to data highs if I do trade at all. So that's what's going to be happening. Let me know how y'all did in the comments below. I want to know what your progress is so far. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to join me on my journey to 100K, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. All right, just kidding. I forgot to update y'all on my TradeZella dashboard because we have a funded account and I did not blow it. We are now tracking it on TradeZella. So we have 490.62. That's in line with my Apex 490.62. And I don't know if y'all remember this, but this Apex trading plan to 100K, we're going to be adding this also. So actual added equity, we did 490.62 so far. Again, we're supposed to be trading 1 micro, but I am going to be not trading 1 micro. I'm just going to be risking $200 every single trade, and we're going to try to build this up and scale it up to 100K. All right, so 100K will be in about 41 weeks. I may not hit that target by the end of this year, but it all depends. It all depends on if I'm able to stay consistent and if I'm able to roll over my payouts into other evaluation accounts that could get funded, and I trade multiple funded accounts, then that will accelerate the process, right? But for now, this is where we are, and we're done. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.